We gotta do a video.
Yeah, you want to do a video of it?
Yeah.
So what do you want to try?
This
What is it? Show it to me.
is my favorite.
Is it the new flavor?
Yeah.
Fruity cereal. Are you excited to try it? Yeah. I'm making this the way we always make it to taste it. This is the way that my husband likes it the best. And I like it the best too, but sometimes I have to do a little lower fat. But when we're tasting a new flavor, we want to try it the same way so we can really compare. So that is 2 ounces of butter. And then I put in 5 ounces of hot water, and that melts the butter. Then I add in the Keto Chow and blend that until it's smooth. And then I add in 10 ounces of ice, blend that up until it's like a milkshake. And that is the way we like our Keto Chow the best.
Wow, it's white.
It smells like fruity cereal. I mean, I can already tell.
Looks like cream cheese.
It smelled like Trix to me.
It looks like cottage cheese.
It's very thick. It's a milkshake.
Yeah, cottage cheese.
Come on, milkshake. You're going to make a mess. You can taste it.
You made a big mess.
I made a big mess. All right. You guys ready? I'll get mine.
3.
3, 2, 1.
It's weird.
It smells more. Oh, I guess at the end. When I first got a taste of it, I didn't taste the fruitiness. But then the flavor comes at the end.
It's so good.
You like it?
I tasted the fruitiness first.
Yeah, I can definitely smell it first. But then when I got it in my mouth, it was kind of,
That smells definitely.
yeah, then the flavor comes at the end. It tastes to me like Trix. I don't think you guys have ever tasted Trix, have you?
What is Trix?
It's a fruity cereal.
It's so good. It tastes like cereal, actually.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
it's
definitely
very
smells like
creamy and fruity. What do you think, Trudy?
It's weird.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's good. It's definitely cereal. Like, it's definitely that fruit cereal flavor. If you're looking for like true strawberry or any true fruit flavor, that's not what you're going to get. You're going to get like the candy cereal fruit flavor.
I wonder if Dad will be able to guess it.
I don't know. Maybe we'll try it. What do you think, Renee?
I think it tastes like Cheerios.
It tastes like Cheerios. Okay. Like fruity Cheerios?
Not fruity Cheerios.
So you don't taste the fruit?
Well, a little bit at the end.
A little bit at the end. Okay.
It tastes like
cereal.
Fruity cereal. I think it does.
I think it kind of tastes like Cheerios and Fruit Loops mixed together.
Okay.
Well, it definitely smells like Fruit Loops.
I think it would make a really good ice cream. That would be yummy.
It also smells like Zevia. It smells like
Like which flavor of Zevia?
like grape Zevia.
Oh, okay. Well, grape is fruit. How many thumbs up, Levi?
Gooplex.
A Googleplex. Okay, Charity, how many thumbs up? Out of 10.
6.
Okay, 6. Renee?
4.
4. What flavors do you like better than this?
Birthday cake. What's it called?
Pumpkin bun?
No. Well, I like
Pumpkin
pumpkin
spice caramel?
bun.
Pumpkin spice
What did you say?
Pumpkin spice caramel?
So it was like a. It looked
caramel?
like chocolate.
Salted caramel?
Salted caramel or no?
Malt chocolate?
Chocolate malt?
Chocolate malt?
No. It's
Malt
like
chocolate.
on the front. It looks like chocolate bark.
Chocolate mint?
No.
Just chocolate? Plain
No,
chocolate?
It's
Oh, it's toffee. Chocolate toffee.
chocolate toffee.
Yeah. You like that one better than this one.
Mhm.
That's understandable.
It's not my favorite. This is my favorite.
Your favorite of all flavors?
My favorite
Out of a Googleplex?
Out of 100 and a Googleplex.
Okay, sounds good. You ready for this?
Nope.
Well, get ready fast. Cleanse your palate. What's the bouquet?
I almost know what it is.
You're pretty good at guessing. You've been on a roll. Give you a hint, it's not chocolate.
Surprise. It's vanilla. familiar but not specific yet.
Okay.
I almost know what this is.
Okay. Do you need to drink the whole thing before you guess? So you can ponder it?
This is going to be a time lapse.
Yeah. Just I sometimes do time lapses of Levi eating. Maybe people would enjoy time lapses of you eating every once in a while.
What is that flavor? It's not a strong flavor.
I didn't think it was very strong either.
It's not strong. It's mostly just sweet cream. Hold on. So I'm gonna say I now know what flavor I'm associating with.
Okay.
In fact, yeah, it has a very. It's okay. This is it now.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's sweet cream, and beyond that, there's a little flavor in there, which is clearly Fruit Loops.
You're right. They call it fruity cereal.
It's Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
You got it. I got Trix when I tasted it, but there's not a lot of difference between Trix and Fruit Loops.
It's Fruit Loops.
Yeah, it is.
Yep, that's what flavor it is.
You did it.
Flavor is.
You did it. No one
This
told you.
This is completely legit.
Blind. And there's no.
I've been above 4,000 feet on a mountain for the last 2 days. I came down and I'm just given this, so I have no spoilers here.
The color didn't even give it away.
Mm-mm.
Good job. You win the gold star. I'll make you another Keto Chow as your prize.
It's Fruit Loops. So, the construction guys I work with, we use hand sanitizer.
Okay.
And a whole bunch of brands, not all of them, but a whole bunch of the house brands of hand sanitizer you can buy anywhere, they all smell like Fruit Loops. And we just call it Fruit Loops. And we say, hey, guys, some Fruit Loops? Yeah. And we immediately want a bottle of hand sanitizer.
So that tastes like hand sanitizer is what you're saying?
So this is hand sanitizer. Yes.
Okay. And we'll put that in the review on the website.
Tastes like hand sanitizer.
Yep. That's what it is.